Pliers cut ACSR, screws, ILS and most hardened wire. High leverage design. Rivet is closer to the cutting edge for 46% greater cutting and gripping power than other plier designs. Built-in crimper works on non-insulated connectors, lugs and termils. Built-in channel pulls steel fish tape without damaging the tape. Made in USA with custom, US-made tool steel. Induction hardened cutting knives for long life. Streamlined design with sure gripping, cross-hatched knurled jaws. These Klein Tools Linemans Pliers are induction hardened and have a hot-riveted joint for smooth and powerful action without handle wobble. Their unique tempered handle design, with dual-material Journeyman handles provide a better grip and absorbs the snap when cutting wire, screws, nails or ACSR. These side-cutting pliers also have cross-hatched knurled jaws, and built-in channels for pulling fish tapes without damage. Top reviews from the United States. You can't go wrong with Klein. Love Klein Linesmans, been using them for 40 years.